The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism. Dear teacher, you are awesome. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the educators and teachers out there. This is Priya Hana and you are watching Yearn to Learn. In today's video, I am going to share with you 7 ideas to celebrate Teachers' Day virtually. Before jumping on to the ideas, let's know why do we celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, our first Vice President of Independent India and second President of India. He himself was a staunch educator, scholar and philosopher. On this day, students express their gratitude towards teachers, many award functions are organized and their contribution to the society is acknowledged. Internationally, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of October because on this day, ILO or UNESCO recommendations for teachers' status was signed in 1966. So this was the introduction. Let's begin with the ideas of celebrating Teachers' Day virtually. The very first idea is you can write an acrostic poem for your teacher. Now, what is an acrostic poem? In this you have to take the first alphabet and write an adjective with it. So, write an adjective that is very well suited for your teacher. I will give you one example. As they say, your mothers are your first teachers. So, one I am taking my mother's name and the other my professor from my college. So as you see on your screen, the first name is Asha, A-S-H-A, A adorable, S sagacious, H harmonious, A affectionate. Second example, Jyoti, J joyful, Y yielding or productive, O optimistic, T tenacious, I intellectual. So this is how you can take your teacher's name. You can write full sentences or you can just write an adjective. If you don't want to create an acrostic poem, you can otherwise also create a poem with rhyming scheme or without one and dedicate it to your teachers. The second idea is to create an e-card or write a personal email to your teacher. If you do not want to write an email or if the child is in primary grade, so the child can write a thank you note on a piece of paper and then a photograph can be clicked or make a greeting card for the teacher. A photograph can be clicked and sent to the teacher on personal window or social media platform wherever the teacher is comfortable. The third idea is you work in groups. Make a team of yours. You create either a PowerPoint presentation or compile a video in which different students are giving messages for the teacher. Club it, compile into a video and post it to your teacher. Your teacher would surely love this surprise. The fourth idea is to work in groups and hold a placard either of a word or an alphabet for whatever message you want to convey to the teachers. You can work according to the size of the group. For example, you are just 3 students, so first student can hold happy, the second student can hold a placard of teachers and the third student can hold the placard of day. Or if you are more in number, all the students, they can take, say for example, an A4 size sheet and write all the alphabets on it. The first one is holding H, the second one is holding A, the third one is holding P, fourth one is holding another P, fifth one is holding Y, and so on. Then make a collage of it. So your message with all the students holding the placards, it would look lovely. The fifth idea is when a teacher is taking an online class, students can start with the sentence stem and add their ideas to it. How? Now, what is a sentence stem? Sentence stem is that beginning of the sentence is same for everyone, and then they are going to add their own ideas to it. For example, the sentence stem is I adore my teacher because. Now this part will be same for every child, and further the children will be adding their ideas. For example, I adore my teacher because she teaches us very well. I adore my teacher because she is very knowledgeable. I adore my teacher because she makes us laugh. I adore my teacher because she gives very less homework. So it could be depending upon how any child feels about the teacher. Do make it a positive one. The sixth idea is to create hashtag thank you teacher and post it on social media. You can write your message, you can click pictures, you can make collages, you can write a thank you note for your teacher, and the hashtag thank you teacher would follow. Do this only if your teacher is comfortable with social platforms. Otherwise, do not make your teachers uncomfortable. Coming to the last idea, it's a musical one. You can create a parody on any popular number and dedicate it to your teacher. For example, you all have heard that song We Shall Overcome. So on that you can go like we all love you, we all love you, we all love you, Miss. You teach with zest, you are the best, we all love you, Miss. Miss or Mr. followed by name, so you can alter that. Or if you are taking Hindi song, you can take any tune, any song and put in your own words, show your creativity there. For example, हमारी टीचर हैं गुणवान, वो बाटे हमसे अपना ज्ञान, वो रखती है हमारा ध्यान, हम भी करते हैं उनका मान. Something like that. So any rhythm, any song with good choice of words, show your creativity and sing a song to your teacher. Your teacher is surely going to love it. So that's it for today. I hope these ideas would be useful to you, and if you have more ideas, I am waiting. Please write them in the comment box below. Let's share our ideas with the world so that we can say thank you, we can extend gratitude with creativity to our teachers. So that's it. This is Priya Hana signing off. May God bless you all.